Stuck with a boring text header on your Namecheap site? Let's fix that in under 5 minutes. You know how it is. You spend time building your website, you pick a great template, you get your content ready, but then you look up top and there it is. Just plain text, your site name in some default font. It doesn't look like you. It doesn't look professional. And you know a custom logo would change everything. So let me walk you through exactly how to swap that text out for your own logo. I will show you how to access the header settings, create a brand new logo right inside Namecheap, or import one you already have, and I will help you place it perfectly. We are going to follow the actual Namecheap SiteMaker interface here, step by step, so there is no guesswork. All right, let us start by opening your Namecheap SiteMaker dashboard. This is the main area where you see all of your projects. Find the website you want to work on. Now click the highlighted area to enter the editor. This is usually a big button that says Edit or Manage. It takes you right into the live builder for your site. So here we are inside the editor. Look for the section labeled Header. It is usually right at the top where all the main settings live. Click on that. Now, inside the header settings, you will see an option that says Create Logo. Click that button. This is where the magic starts. You will get a couple of choices here. Go ahead and click on Free Logo Maker. This is a fantastic built-in tool from Namecheap. You do not need to leave your browser or use another app. It is all right here. The Logo Maker will show you a bunch of templates to start from. Click on the highlighted area to select a template that feels right for your brand. Do not stress about finding the perfect one yet. You can change everything. Once you pick a template, you will see more customization options. Click on the highlighted area to start tweaking your logo. You can change the text, the font, the colors, the icon. Make it yours. Now, if you already have a logo file on your computer, you do not need to use the free Logo Maker at all. Instead, look for the button that says Import Logo and click that. A file browser window will pop up. Click on the highlighted area to browse your computer and find your logo file. Namecheap supports standard image formats like PNG and JPG. Once you have selected your file, click the Upload Logo button. This will place your logo directly into the header of your site. And that is it. Seriously. Your header now shows your custom logo instead of that generic text. Save your changes and take a look at your site. It looks completely different, right? It looks like you. It looks professional. You took a boring text header and turned it into a branded header with your custom logo in just a few minutes. And you did it all from inside Namecheap's own tools. I hope this helped make your site feel a little more like yours. I will see you in the next one.